Okay, so can we talk about the weather real quick? Kasi recently, sobrang unpredictable niya talaga. Sa umaga, sobrang init. Tapos pagdating ng hapon naman, tulad ngayon, sobrang ulan. At minsan nga baliktad pa. Kaya now, I don't take chances. I always bring sunscreen with me. And good thing, I have options. This one is for my everyday use. And this one is for my on-the-go. This brilliant sunscreen gel cream is very lightweight, non-sticky, and may sun-carrying ingredients na not only protect but also to moisturize my skin. Tingnan nyo, oh, ang bilis ma-absorb and no white cast at all. Leaves my skin fresh and glowing. At eto naman, nilalagay ko siya everyday sa aking bag dahil hindi ko kayang umalis ng walang sunscreen. You can control the weather, but you can protect your own skin. So don't forget to get your own sunscreen gel cream ng Brilliant for everyday and everywhere. Bye!